So in this module, we've taken a look at the underlying collection of classes that are used to process requests in ASP.NET and how those classes are mapped onto by various versions of IIS. And more importantly, we focused on the three extensibility points of the pipeline. So how can you add your own custom functionality into the request processing architecture of ASP.NET? And we did this in three ways. We built custom applications. So you do that by writing a global ASAX file and adding event handlers. We wrote a custom handler, and that's done by implementing the iHTTP handler interface and setting up a configuration file mapping to associate a particular path and extension with your endpoint class. We also looked at how to configure IIS to properly dispatch requests onto custom handlers that you might have built. And then finally, we looked at modules, custom modules. How do you build a class that can intercept or add handlers for all of the application level events that we looked at, but not be housed in a global ASX file, instead be built in a separate class definition, which you could deploy as an independent assembly and conceivably apply across all applications on a single machine. So hopefully that gives you some ideas of how you can tap into the pipeline and also how requests are processed in general in ASP.NET.